Let's talk about TopNav. You can see our TopNav bar. I've broke it down into a drop down. Most out of the box sites have a buy, a sell, a contact us, whatever. That stuff doesn't really mean anything to Google. You have to put some context around it. So you can see that I've organized by Explore Lake Norman, and these are the cities around it. And then I've got Explore Coastal North Carolina, and these are the cities we want to cover. So what I'm going to show you how to do is how to create this pop-out menu. You can see right here we have Explore Coastal North Carolina. So that's what we're going to do. So I've got a couple of these built out. Our next one is top cell. So I'm just going to copy top cell. And then all I have to do is go down here and do add folder and paste it in there. And then you just drag it up to where you want it. And then you'll put your menu inside of that, or you'll put your blog post inside of that, your blog post, your page, whatever you're trying to put in it. And then all we do is we go over here and we'll refresh. And you can see now we have the pop out. So I'm going to build the pop out the same way I did this. And the cool thing about this, like annual events and festivals for Lake Norman, that is one blog post. But look, I've got it on each one of them. The benefits of living on Lake Norman, that's one blog post, but I've covered it in both of them. Pros and cons, that's going to be different because that's specific to the area. And then properties for sale is basically, it goes to the search for homes. And then what is my specific city name, home worth? It just goes to the, what do you call it? To the evaluation page. But I've structured it in such a way now Google knows what we're trying to do. We sell real estate. You can search. You can search properties. You can get your evaluation. We're just helping Google understand what we're trying to do. Hope this is helpful. Let me know in the comments.